That's kind of a wave, isn't it? No, not really. Hey there. How you doing? You doing good? Yeah. It's good to hear. Hey, thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it. I'm SB Mitch, a professional. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and you can also find me at ransomnotesneakers.com, where I sell everything I get out of these beater boxes, like this one that's next to me right now, and a whole bunch of other things. Before we jump into this box, I want to make a quick announcement that next Thursday, March the 28th of 2019 at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it's time to do, yes, another live unboxing of a Sole Supremacy Beater Box. That box is going to be worth $800. We're going to open it live on YouTube together so you can find out exactly when I find out what's in there. Next Thursday, March 28th, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But let's talk about this box right next to me. This box is a beater box from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a members-only beater box program. It's closed right now. You can't get a membership. It's pretty impossible, but still give them a follow on Twitter. Turn on post notifications because they said they would open up a membership or two if a bunch of people canceled. Chances of that happening are pretty slim, but still, you never know. This box next to me was $650 plus $40 to ship it here to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Shout out cheesesteaks. For a grand total of $690. These boxes are actually priced under market, so there's a good chance you can make some money on them, but stick around until the end because my good friend MC Hammer is going to break it down to show you how much this box is worth according to fair market value versus how much I paid. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Cool, the box is open. Now you may be asking, SB Mitch, what the heck is going on with your hair? And you also may be asking, SB Mitch, how are we gonna know how much everything is? That's how you're gonna know. That would be clearance. They're gonna be keeping an eye on every shoe that comes out of this box, letting you, the viewer, know how much each shoe is worth, and then keeping a tally so you can see how much the whole box is worth. We're open. Looks like there's one loose pair. It's a really good one, actually, holy cow. This is a size 8.5. This is a Jordan 5 from the Defining Moments pack, the Raging Bull Red Suede. It's a little bit of an older pair, so you're gonna have discoloration on the cages, as you can see, and on the outsole. The suede itself is a little bit faded, but not too bad. I've seen pairs that are way less red than this. Lace locks are here. It's got the inserts, just no box. And the tongue is 3M too, so that's kind of a neat little aspect. This is actually a really good shoe to get, and it's a pretty decent size. I don't like red shoes myself, but I know this shoe has a pretty good value. I would imagine it's somewhere between $200 and $250. I could be wrong though, because that's my brand. There's your first shoe out. Raging Bull Red Suede, size 8.5 with no box. If you have interest in that shoe or any other shoe, check out my website down below in the video description, or you can contact me before it gets on the website. Looks like every other shoe has a box. Let's grab this tiny box here. This is a Girls Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, size 4 youth. This is a super lightly worn pair of a Girls Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. This is the pink snakeskin. This looks to be a relatively new release. You can see there's hardly any creasing anywhere. A little bit of discoloration on the bottoms, but that is really easy to clean up. Barely worn, you can see the Jumpman in full effect. But this is a really nice shoe, just a really small size. The Jordan snakeskins are actually really cool shoes, but it's kid size. Don't know what these are gonna go for. So there you go. Size 4 youth, Jordan 11 Low Pink Snakeskin. This here is a size 11 Cortez. My buddy Shane loves Cortezes and is a size 11. This is the Undefeated collaboration from pretty recent, just because it says Undefeated on there. Yeah, this is the NIKELAB Undefeated LA collaboration. These are barely worn. Holy cow, they look like they've been worn once, as you hear nothing but crinkle in the microphone. Yeah, a little bit of wear on the bottoms, but you can see on the heel it says LA, and it's got Undefeated. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up right there on the, I guess you call that a lace lock type thing. This is a really slick shoe. The outer swoosh is white, the inner swoosh is blue. It's got a vinyl upper, leather swoosh, and suede heel and mud guard. There you go, size 11, Undefeated Cortez. I don't know the value on these. I don't know the retail either. Probably like 140 to 150 bucks maybe, just because it's a collaboration. Let's keep going. Here's another size 11, but it's a Nike Lunar Force 1 High. I think this is another Undefeated collaboration. So this is a Air Force One high. It's an undefeated collab. It's this real nappy red suede, and the strap has this crazy design all over it, which is really, really cool. Got the undefeated branding on the heel tab on the back. This is actually a really slick looking pair. I'm not a fan of suede and I'm not a fan of red, but these are in really, really good shape. Just a little bit of discoloration on the outsole because it's been worn a couple times, but no star loss, very little heel drag. Yeah, cool shoe. I don't know the value on these, I'm not gonna lie, but considering the condition, maybe like $100, I don't know. I'll look it up, but third shoe out, right? Fourth shoe out, cool. Undefeated Air Force One, Lunar Air Force One, whatever you call it. Dang. I like this box, this is a fun box so far. A lot of size 11, which is my size too. So this here is an Air Jordan 3 LS, size 11. Ooh, I really like these. This is a size 11 pair of cool gray 3s. Dang, these are, ooh. This is gonna be tough to give up on. So it is a little bit of an older release, so there is some paint cracking. Of all the cool gray 3s I've seen, this has the least amount of paint cracking. I'm a huge fan of this model. Really low pile suede on the upper. These are really, really clean. These were well taken care of, and they are my size too. Holy macaroni, they come with the retro card too. I gotta think long and hard about keeping these. These are an awesome pair. I don't know what the value is on these. Personally, I would value them higher than a lot of people because I love 3s. But yeah, this is a really good pair to get. Size 11, cool gray 3s. Original box too, dang. All right, looks like there's 3 more in here. Another size 11, but it's a Jordan 4 Retro. Ugh. This is the Dunk from Above Air Jordan 4. Really, really, really cool colorway. Very little wear on the bottoms. You can see barely any star loss on here. Just a cool combination of colors. Gum bottom. This is a really, really cool pair. I know the value is not really that high, but this is just a versatile Jordan 4. You can see like a little bit of the detail on there is like the leather is actually yellowish, but it's blue on top. This is a really cool pair. Size 11, Dunk from Above 4s. Hang tags in there too. It's a fun box. I really like this box so far, baby. 2 more in here. We have a size 8.5 Air Jordan 4 Retro LS. Probably Oreos. Ding. So this is a pair of Oreo 4s in a size 8.5. These are in really good shape too. They look to have been worn a couple times, but got the speckled midsole, which is really, really cool. The midsole actually looks to be in pretty good shape too. Not much cracking or any cracking at all. I can't really tell. Really, really solid colorway on a Jordan 4 too, which is just a wildly popular model. Not much creasing. Yeah, these are in really, really solid shape. Hang tag is here too. Size 8.5, Jordan 4 Oreo. And just a little bit of star loss. Cool. This is a cool box. I really like this. And we got one more in here. The box is a little thrashed up. It's a size 11, Jordan 12. Cool. All right, these are the Obsidian 12s. These are worn, but in really, really solid shape. Not much creasing on the toe box there. Really, really good shape. They just need a really solid cleanup. A little bit of dirt on the uppers, but I could definitely fix that with a little elbow grease and some rejuvenator. They're called Obsidian, I believe. Got the original receipt from Shoe Palace. It's almost like a UNC kind of colorway too, which it might actually be, but dang, this is a really solid pair. Really good shape too. Personally, not a huge fan of 12s. If I were to pick any 12, I'd pick Taxi 12s, but these are still really cool. Solid condition, just need cleaned up. Size 11, Jordan 12 Obsidians, I think. This box is really awesome. I really enjoy this box from a personal standpoint, but we still have to give it a grade. Let's give this box a grade through 3 categories. Condition, sizes, and hype/value, because a shoe with no hype has no value. Slap. Let's do condition first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of shoes in this $650 Sole Supremacy Beater Box, and none of them are dead stock. Most of them have boxes. No dead stock though. Condition on this box, B-. Sizes, we have for youth, 11, 11, 11, 8.5, 11, another 11, and 8.5. Not much variety, but really, really easy to move sizes. Sizes on this box, gotta give it an A-. Hype/value. Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s, Jordan 11s, and Jordan 12s are all really easy to sell. collaboration sneakers are also pretty easy to sell. I think this box is killer. I could be wrong though. I think the value on this box is out of this world. Hype/value on this box, I gotta give it a pretty solid A. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of A for hype/value, this $650 Sole Supremacy Beater Box gets a grade of A-. So I gave this box a letter grade of A-. But MC Hammer has to let us know how much money we're gonna make on it.
Break it down.
This was a really fun box. I'm a big fan of this thing. Holy cow. Anyway, these shoes will be available if they're still around on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is called ransomnotesneakers.com. You can check it out. You don't really have to though. As I said in the beginning of the video, we're gonna be doing a live beater box unboxing next Thursday, March 28th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time p.m., 10 o'clock p.m. So swing by for that, hang out, have yourself a root beer float, and watch me be wrong about sneakers for a good 22 minutes. So yeah, tons of other beater boxes on the way in. I do have some other thematic videos coming too. So till then, take care of each other. And remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. This is a cool box. I'll see you later, bye!